I kind of alluded to at the beginning of the podcast that we assume that a lot of issues with our gut today is high pathogenic bacteria or parasites. There's a lot of influencers that are so obsessed with parasite cleanses. I'm sure you've heard, right? And we don't know that that's the right approach. We see most of the problems in people who have gut issues or GI issues is the lack of beneficial functions. So that's, I think, one of the most surprising things is we're just very depleted of beneficial functions and taxa. So we need to replenish it. And the best way to replenish it is through eating healthy prebiotic fibers and fruits and vegetables, right? The right amount of protein, and not like processed foods, don't do a lot of the emulsifiers. It's less about the pathogenic bacteria. So if you don't have beneficial function, it gives room for the pathogenic bacteria and the gut inflammation to happen, right? So rather than destroying the bad, which is what our society is very focused on, even our medical approach, conventional or functional, even functional medicine doctors use harsh antimicrobials and herbs to kill. So I would say the biggest eye opener for me is the shift in paradigm shift from killing to restoring, if that makes sense, right? Sometimes if the gut is really bad, and we've seen some really bad guts with very high pathogens, gut inflammation, and persisting symptoms and conditions, maybe in that event, you can approach to kill and then replenish. But in most cases, especially in peds, because their guts are so sensitive, we highly recommend the approach of restoring and boosting beneficial to kick out the pathogenic bacteria. And if that doesn't work, then you go to the kill approach. So instead of coming from kill, restore, you come from restore, replenish, and then if that doesn't work, you kill. I think that has worked tremendously well in peds, especially infants and kids who have these GI issues and chronic conditions and eczema, allergies, and all that. Adults, that can work too. But yeah, we try to kill less.